Google Maps, get it together, man. Maybe I just gotta go into the settings and turn it up.
Destination is on the right.
Alright, so Maggie McNally here is telling me that the destination is gonna be on the right hand side, and I kind of don't believe her.
Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another trucking vlog. That's right, got another trucking vlog. This is Truck of Avocado coming at you live and direct from Indianapolis, Indiana, Interstate 74 West. Yes, Interstate 74 West. Today is Wednesday, March 24th. It is 1:35 in the morning. Last I left you guys off, I was dropping off the load in, I was picking up the load in Pennsylvania. So we picked up that load in Pennsylvania. We delivered it yesterday morning. And in Ohio, in Westchester, Ohio, and we just so happened to get our pickup literally a mile away from where we dropped off. However, I did drive about 30 minutes out because it was like about maybe 4 hours before I had to pick up this load that I'm on now, which is going to Spring Valley, Illinois. So I ended up driving like 30 minutes away to a Love's because I needed to take a nap, and there was nowhere to take a nap. Nowhere around to take a nap. Nowhere. There was one truck stop that was nearby, but it only had like 5 parking spots and it was full, and I wasn't gonna sit there and wait at the fuel island for a parking spot, because you know these solar powered drivers now are driving at when the sun comes up. So the sun ain't up. If the sun ain't up, they ain't driving. Pretty much, that's what they say. Say to hell with driving at night, or to hell without driving and the sun's not out. So yeah, so we then picked up this load, drove back the 30 miles or so, it was like 34 miles, to pick up this load here. We're about 37 in the box, 37,700 in the box. My air suspension load is showing 50 psi, so I know I'm good. So I didn't get it scaled, just because I off of the suspension I can tell that it's properly loaded and everything, and I moved the tandems to the 40 feet mark. But yeah, so we're headed to Spring Valley, Illinois, and we're about it was about a 400 mile run, I think it was, but we're about 149 miles from where we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna stop at this Love's, fuel up, take a shower. Hopefully there's a parking spot. If not, I'll make a parking spot. I just need a quick shower. I've been in areas where there is no showers, and I needed a nap earlier. If not, I was gonna take a shower last night before I started driving, but they only had cold water, and I said, all right, screw it, I'll take a shower in cold water, no problem. I've done it before, I can do it. It's like, oh yeah, there's 3 people in line. Okay, yeah, no. 3 people in line, so I'm the 4th person, and it's a cold shower? Screw that. Screw that. Yep. Yeah, I ain't dealing with that. So, with that being said, we skipped that shower. And on top of that, I had to go inside and check in. Like, they didn't have online check-in. So, yeah. I'm guessing that's why, because they didn't have no hot water. So yeah, so we're gonna go get a shower, nice and easy. And yeah, so we're delivering at this Walmart. The delivery's at 8:30 in the morning, so we're on track to get there like around 5:30. But put in that fuel and that shower, we're probably looking at like 6:30 maybe. Yeah, about an hour to do all that stuff. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, whatever. So we're gonna make it on time. We're gonna make it early. Man, I'm so sick of these loads they're giving me. Not necessarily the loads, just the load types. Live unload, live load. Live load, live unload. Like, damn it, I'm trying to get rid of this 3 Series trailer. Would you please give me a drop and hook? Like, please. I'm begging you, please give me a drop and hook. I'm over this damn trailer already. I will admit though, it hasn't been that hard to slide the tandems. I had to slide the tandems earlier to get loaded. I had to slide them back and they actually went up pretty easy, so I'm not mad at it. But I'm just so sick of I'm so sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. So CFI, if you're watching, I'm tired of this damn trailer. Get me a drop and hook, please. I'm begging you, please. Yeah, it ain't that serious though. I don't care. So anyhow, we're just driving, cruising along. I feel really good. I got some good sleep. Like, I'm talking about good sleep.
Half a mile, take exit 16B on the right onto I-74 West.
How ironic. I freaking say that and then I yawn. Like, I don't know. But I'm not tired. I actually got some really good sleep. Where I shut down at had a freaking whatchamacallit. Had a Dunkin' Donuts, or Dunkin' I should say, because it's now just Dunkin'. And man, I was so excited. I'm sick of all the regular crap, Subway, Hardee's, Arby's. Like, I'm so sick of it. And I took everything off of my truck, so I don't have my refrigerator with me, none of that. I'm rolling light. And you guys will know shortly why, but that's for a future video. But other than that, guys, we got a pretty nice, easy going day. Nothing much, nothing too crazy. So I will talk to you guys later, either when I get to the Loves or when I get to the Walmart distribution center. Who knows? Anyways, guys, you already know the rest. I'm gonna rock out with my cock out. Peace. Let's go ahead and switch lanes before I turn you guys off. All right, holla for the dollar, baby. What's going on, guys? So we're back and we're about 12 miles away from where we are delivering here at this Walmart distribution center in Illinois, Spring Valley, Illinois, that is. We're about 2.8 miles from our exit, which is fantastic. So we got to this Loves about, I don't know, probably like 50 miles. It was like 50 miles back or something like that. 80 miles, 70 miles back, 60 miles back, 70 miles back. It was like 60 miles back. Anyways, whatever. We got to that Loves, we took a shower there, we found a parking spot, we fueled, we took a shower. We ended up spending there like 2 hours or so or something like that. I don't know. I ended up just taking a nap. I took a nap. I didn't want to take a nap, but I ended up falling asleep, so I guess I did take a nap. The reason we did that is because we can't get to Walmart too early, and we're still like about 30 minutes early. Usually it's like they allow you to be 15 minutes early, and we got there. We're gonna get there, let's see, about 45 minutes early. So hopefully we don't get turned away, because yeah, who wants to get turned away? That makes no damn sense, right? Like, we got turned away for being too early. we're not talking like a day early or anything, just a couple minutes early, like whatever. But again, like I said, let you be late 2 minutes and they're looking to reschedule. So yeah, so we're gonna take this exit up here. We're going to take this exit right here, exit 41. And I believe we will be making a left. I believe we will be making a left. So, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and throw our handy dandy blinker on. That's what it's used for, to notify people behind me that I'm gonna be turning. Some of you guys should try using it. Four-wheelers. Yeah, so we will be making this left, so now I'm gonna put it to the left to let everybody know we're gonna be turning left. It's an ugly day out here. It's like rainy. It was kind of windy last night. Yeah, it was kind of, wind was kind of pushing me around. Not that bad though. We are pretty heavy. Like I said, we do have 37 in the box, 37,700. So yeah, and we do not have a pre-plan, so we will see what happens. Oh no, nope, nope, nope. Don't you just hate it when you're about to go and the car just appears out of nowhere like, hello, here I am. All right, now we can go. Stay wide here. Nice, nice. So we're gonna go straight here on this road for 7 miles, and then we're gonna make a right 7 miles up ahead and go up that road for like 2 miles, and it should be up on our left hand side. So with that being said, guys, this is what Illinois is. Like, if you guys ever come through Illinois, like, yeah, you got Chicago and whatever other cities in Illinois, but this is Illinois right here. This is all Illinois is. Just land. Literally, just land. Legit, all it is, just land. Just land. That's all it is. Land. Land. And more land. And then you got some farmhouses. And then just more land. Cornfields. I mean, I think I ran over my first animal was in Illinois. It was like a possum. Like a possum or something. Okay, well, somebody's in a rush this morning, I guess. Should have left your house a little bit earlier. Maybe you wouldn't be in a rush. More land, more land, more land, more land, more land. Yep, anyways, this is what it is. Anyways, guys, we'll talk later. I'll let you guys know, put you guys back on when I get to the DC. Peace. Alright guys, so we're about 1.7 away now, 1.7 miles. We gotta make a right hand turn here up soon in about a minute or so. Yep, and we're looking at the same thing where I left you guys off at. Land, land, more land, more land, just more land. Man, these roads are like screwed up. screwed up. I'll tell you that much. Nussbaum. Nussbaum. That's crazy. I just saw an ad for them on like scrolling down Facebook. There's an ad for like Nussbaum. Nussbaum. Whatever their name is. I bet it would be really peaceful to live out here, but this is like I wouldn't mind living out here, but man, that's like a lot of freaking. You're far away from like anything. Like, what if you want to go out to a bar? You know, you want to go out and have a night of fun. Like, what Uber is coming to pick you up here? Really? Like, what Uber is coming to pick you up out here?
Turn at the first right onto Route 89.
What if you want like to order out DoorDash or something? Like what? Like what is even out here? Alright, we're all good to go. We're all good to go. We're looking in the mirror, make sure nobody runs that stop sign and comes behind us. Alright. Now we got it. We're gonna keep going straight here. I'm like, where's the nearest truck stop? Like, I don't even have a pre-plan yet.
2 miles. Your destination is on the right.
I don't know, man. Well, hopefully they get me a pre-plan. This says on the thing that it is a live unload, so hopefully that's true, because then we'll just be able to chill here kind of and see if we got a pre-plan. They should be able to find us something. I mean there's like literally nothing here, but whatever. Alright, in 1.5 miles we'll be coming up on this place, and I do have the satellite view up. It's very simple, looks like most Walmart DCs. You got one entrance for trucks, and then that's it. Pretty much, it's pretty much a basic warehouse layout. You got some trees. When are the trees gonna start blossoming? Is it spring yet, or isn't spring like March 21st? Or spring happened already, right? It's something popped up there. I guess like the phone shakes and like it has like some like, I don't know, some feature that pops up, some, I don't know, whatever. Google Maps got it together, man. Maybe I just gotta go into the settings and turn it on.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, so Maggie McNally here is telling me that the destination is going to be on the right hand side, and I kind of don't believe her. Yeah, I kind of don't believe her, just because it looks like it's going to be on my left. That should be coming from down here, but
your destination is on the right.
There's nothing here, sweetie. Maybe I just put in the wrong address, but we're on the right street, so we'll just be coming from up down here. I don't know why I did that. I don't know, maybe I put in the wrong address or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What happened? So we're probably still like another about 2 miles out or something. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. I gotta keep going straight, to be honest. Alright, we're like kind of far. I just zoomed out a little bit just to see exactly where the blue dot is. So speed limit is 45, so we're gonna go ahead and slow down, and we literally just gotta keep going up straight. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go ahead and get to this Walmart. All right, so now we're getting close to it. I don't know how far we are because I don't really have the GPS up. I don't know what happened here, but I don't know whether I put in the wrong address or what, but because I actually looked on Google Maps here, and it shows that the address is actually US 6, not Illinois 89. So I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. We're just gonna keep going straight up this road here. Speed limit is 30, so we're going 30. I see some flashing lights up there for pedestrians or for school zone or pedestrians. So we're gonna go ahead and slow down. And it is a school zone as well. Speed limit is 20, so we're going to go 20. And we literally just got to keep going up this road here for maybe about another half a mile, I guess. Alright, speed limit went up now to 35, so we're going to go ahead and go up to 35, and it's gonna be on the left hand side here. Alright, speed limit 40. We're gonna go out to 40. Should be coming up here shortly. Alright, guys, John French for mayor. I'm in Spring Valley, Illinois. Alright. Looks like there's like a small little town here. Small little town. Alright. Alright, so we should be coming up here shortly. Interstate 80 is right up ahead, and should be like about maybe like 0.3 miles away or something like that, 0.4. See the DC from here. There's a Ford here, truck headquarters. That's what this is called. That is called truck headquarters. So if you guys need a Ford truck, that is your truck headquarters. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go slowing down because we do gotta make a left up here somewhere. I mean, I can't just go straight through the grass and freaking oh no, they got it like a ditch or something. Alright, we're gonna make a left up here somewhere. Right here where it has that left turning lane. Where it has that left turn lane here. Alright guys, so I will be right back because I do have to check in with security. No trucks. Okay. Oh, well, no trucks. So I'm gonna have to. The trucks is. They should put like a bigger sign on that. They should put like a way bigger sign over here. Okay. Should put like a billboard. I was not able to see that. And I wear glasses. Alright guys, in through here. Alright guys, see the guard track over there guys, so I will be right back with you. Alright guys, so we are all checked in. I have my instructions here. Man, I actually have to like disconnect from this trailer, which is okay, not bad. Most Walmarts are like that for a live load, no problem, or live unload. But yeah, whatever. Anyways, we're going to door 145B. We're gonna go all the way down. We gotta go to 145. Dock our trailer, open the doors, open the seal, put the seal in the envelope, and dock it. And we're gonna then we gotta like chalk it, and then chalk it, and then what else? Oh, and then we go to the bobtail parking area. Alright, then we're gonna go all the way down through here and make this left. Okay, wow, slow it down there. 10 miles an hour, lady. They did not say slide our tandems, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. I cannot complain about that. I should have let the yard jockey go first, because you know they be zooming. Oh, okay, well he's going the opposite way. You know how yard jockeys be. They be going like 145 miles an hour. I swear. Alright, we're gonna go past this thing here, go all the way down to the end, I think. Yeah, yeah, bobtail parking is right there. Okay, cool. We're gonna make this left here. I'm going to make this left here. Good thing I got here when I got here, because it was like 5 trucks after I came in right behind me. There's a whole bunch of ducks here. Alright, let's see here. All good, all good. Alright, 145 is gonna be down that way. Kind of like before I get to the thing. Alright, cool. Let's see here. Alright, all good. Oh man, okay, so I hope I have enough space for to turn this into a sight side from a blind side, because yeah, I should have enough space actually. Alright, 145. Alright. It's like kind of after this truck here. Alright. We're gonna get out and, I don't know. What should I don't know, man. I don't think I haven't. I gotta get to a side, man. No, I don't. I can open the doors and alright. We're gonna come in a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Alright. And then we're going for 145, which is right there. Alright. And we're kind of gonna turn it into a side here, a 45. I'm guessing, I hope. Oh, alright. I started it too late, but okay, no problem. Ah, screw this. Ah, alright, we're gonna go around again because I started it too late. Alright, we're gonna go to the right here and then cut to the left. Alright, I started it too late. We need to start that earlier. Alright. Okay, I got this. Alright. Okay. Start it now. Alright. Okay, I screwed that up. So here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna. Okay, fuck this. We're gonna come back here. All right, now we're gonna. All right, okay. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I just screwed this up. God darn it. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm a little close, but I'm good. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. And I don't know. I gotta work on that one. Whatever. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what the heck I just did, but I did it. I did it. I should have just went for a side. I mean, I was in the proper predicament to make a U-turn later. All right, come on, guy. So anyways, guys, we are I just got to fix myself up. So and I was gonna say I see you guys in a bit, but I might as well just finish the process. I seriously don't know what the hell I just did, but we figured it out. All right, so they told me to break the seal and do all that good stuff, so we're straight here. All right, let's turn this off. Let's oh, I forgot my gloves, and that metal be cold as hell, even though it's only 50 degrees up here. Uh-oh. Let's pop that back into place. All right, let's go grab this. Let's go grab this. We did do pretty good though, and I just don't know what the hell I did. I don't know what the hell I did. Okay, what the fuck? The hell is going on here? Okay. That works. I gotta put that in the envelope and take the envelope. Alright. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, nice and easy. I keep hitting the damn GoPro. Alright. Hey, let's take off the strap. Screw that. Alright guys, that's all she wrote. So I guess I'll talk to you guys later.